Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect BitGo to wallets for institutional custody. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the BitGo website. Log in to your BitGo institutional account using your credentials. Once logged in, access the dashboard for your account. Select the Wallets option from the main menu. Click on the Add Wallet button to create a new wallet. Select the type of wallet you require, such as a hot wallet or cold storage. Fill out the necessary details, including the wallet name and the currency type. After completing the information, click on Create Wallet. Once the wallet is created, head to the Wallet settings. Locate that Access tab within the Wallet settings. Here, you will see options to connect external wallets. Choose the option to connect a new wallet. Input the address of the wallet you'd like to connect. Confirm the wallet address is accurate to avoid mistakes. Next, specify the connection method, whether it's a single signature or multi-signature wallet. If you opt for multi-signature, enter the required number of signatures for transactions. Keep in mind the security settings required for institutional custody. Once everything is set, click on Connect Wallet. You may need to verify the connection via email or through a two-factor authentication. After successful verification, your wallet should now be connected to BitGo. Return to the dashboard to ensure the wallet appears in your list of connected wallets. Now you can manage your assets securely through BitGo's platform. Review all settings to confirm everything is set up correctly. Congratulations, your BitGo to wallet connection for institutional custody is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.